Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Tutanota for private communication in the USA, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type www.tutanota.com and press enter. Once the Tutanota homepage loads, locate the login button on the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your Tutanota email address in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. Ensure that your credentials are correct to avoid login issues. If you want your device to remember your login details, check the Remember Me option. Once you have entered your information, click the Login button. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your Tutanota inbox. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email provided during registration. If you experience any issues logging in, double-check your email and password for accuracy. Once logged in, explore the user-friendly interface for secure communication. You are now ready to send and receive encrypted emails through Tutanota. Make sure to follow best practices for online privacy while using the service. Enjoy your private communication experience with Tutanota. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.